Hi guys, today I'm going to taste some Malaysia snacks which is easily buy in 7-Eleven. And the first one is Lay's potato chips which is salted egg flavor, and this one chocolate pie, and the Lexus cookies, vanilla flavor. To be honest, I stay in Malaysia for 2 years, but I never tried this flavor, so I decided to taste it first. As you can see, it's quite thin and have a mixed flavor, I think. Okay, here we go. Not bad. It reminds me of dishes that salted egg chicken. Very nice, I think. 8 out of 10. Second one, chocolate pie. They are separate packages. Okay, let's open. Very cute. Very cute. Okay, let's try. Compare with the classic one, it adds more chocolate taste, but not that good, I think. 5 out of 10. Okay, the last one, Lexus. Whoa, you can see so many, but very cheap. And many of my Malaysia friends ate this, but I never tried. Today, my first time to try it. Two inside, like an Oreo. Okay. Fabulous. You can see there are chocolate cookies with vanilla inside. Very nice partners. Let's just kill the game. 10 out of 10.